In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix ASUS VivoBook laptop not turning on. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a VivoBook or any other ASUS laptop model, you will be able to follow these steps to troubleshoot any issues related to it not powering on. So first, start with the basic fixes. Check the power source. Make sure that it is getting sufficient battery. So if you notice that it is not charging, then try a different power outlet. And once it starts getting battery, I wouldn't recommend turning it on right away. If you haven't used your VivoBook for a while, it is vital to let it charge fully, so you can let it charge for up to an hour if you are willing to, or until you see some sort of indicator that the battery is full. Alternatively, if you just want to try to power it on now, go ahead and press the power button. See if it works. If you notice that some sort of LED indicator powers on, and after a while, the laptop works, then all that you have to do is let it charge fully and it will be usable right away. If it doesn't work, then I would recommend, like I said, letting it charge to 100% and try again. Next, if it's still giving you trouble, try flushing out the capacitors. You can do this by pressing and holding the power button for up to a minute. So press and hold the power button for a long time and all of the capacitors will be flushed out. And then see if charging it and powering it on normally again helps. If it still does not work, then you will have to move on to more advanced fixes. So unplug the back cover, and once it is open, check the RAM. The RAM sticks can get loose if you transport your VivoBook often and you shake it around. So by giving it a quick nudge and ensuring that it is properly slotted in place, you will be good to go. You can do the same with the battery and then see if it works. If it's still giving you trouble, I would recommend taking off the battery, so remove the battery from the VivoBook if you are comfortable, and then try flushing out the capacitors with the same method once more. So press and hold the power button for up to a minute. Then put the battery back on, and then with the flushed out capacitors, see if it works. If it still does not work, then sadly it could be due to other more advanced reasons, and in this case I would recommend talking to the ASUS customer support. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix ASUS VivoBook laptop not turning on. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.